Welcome to From the Unicorn, where we give you paradigm-shifting business advice while sipping champagne cocktails and eating dessert. Today's dessert is angel food cake from Bittersweet Bakery in Lakeview in Chicago. And I'm going to have to say cheers to you and to your health. All right. So, this little angel food cake is different because it has fruit in it. It's like really interesting. So I'm going to have a little bite. Very, very tasty. All right. Sometimes you want something a little sweet after your meal, and this light and airy angel food cake fits the bill. And what's amazing about it, it's also filled with fruit. Not too much fruit, but just enough to make it delicious. I have a confession to make. I never completely understood angel food cake. It's always seemed slightly too virtuous. A fat-free concoction made of egg white, sugar, and seemingly air until I discovered this little cake sprinkled with fruit. Basically, the secret sauce that keeps this light and airy cake from flying away is the fruit. You know, delicious. I was reading up on a history of this dessert and discovered that for some time, the method of making it was kept a profound secret. But the inventor yielded so far as to sell the receipt for $25. This was back in the 1800s, so $25, that was quite a good, tidy sum. He sold it, and having it understood that it could not be made without a certain powder that could only be obtained from him. Isn't that funny? And it was just cream of tartar. So crazy. I mean, but that was a secret ingredient. Everybody has a secret ingredient. So it's the sweet, simple things in life which are the real ones after all, says Laura Ingalls Wilder. I love Laura Ingalls Wilder. So do you freely share knowledge about your business or product, or do you keep things close to the chest? And why or why not? Tell me about it in the comments below, or go to our website, FromTheUnicorn.com. Tell me about it there. It's interesting how in our industry, in the photography industry or the creative industry, a lot of times we don't want to share things with people because we're afraid they're going to know our secret and then duplicate what we do or offer. But you know, that is ridiculous because no one can duplicate you. You're an original, don't you know? As always, my friends, believe in yourself and stay magical. Bye. Have a great day. This was not a winner, chicken dinner. It's like, I don't know, just not really sexy, no.